Hey, Jen Parr here from DIY Vinci, and today I'm working on some paint by numbers, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into what I'm working on. So I am in Adobe Illustrator, and here is one of our paintings that are going to become a paint by number. So here you can see we've vectorized all of this, and this fun tropical whimsical piece um, gets turned into a paint by numbers. So you can kind of see the whole design and then the fun process over here where each color is turned into a number and each part is outlined into the different numbers. So in this set, we are actually going to make it a 24 color set and have divided out all of those colors. And our paint by number sets that we're planning to make are going to be kind of unique. It's not going to be your average paint by number kit. It's also going to come with a couple surprises, but we will reveal more about that coming soon. So let me know what you think about this design and what other kinds of painting themes that you think would be awesome for us to do next.